And then, vanilla. Yan. And then, condensed milk. Half lang. Yan. And then, mag-add tayo ng 2 cups of water. Yan, halo-halo. Haluin muna natin. Add na nga ako ng water. 2 cups daw. 2 cups. 1 cup of water. And then the butter. The butter. Butter. So, here's our butter. Hatiin natin sa tatlo. Gagawa ko ng try kong matcha and ube. This is for the ube. Isa. 2 cups. Tatlo. Isa. Dalawa. Tatlo. Yan. Try lang natin yan. Ito ay yung regular na regular flavor. I'm going to put some food color violet. Konti lang. Half teaspoon siguro. That's right. And then isa ay matcha. Try. Try natin yan. Kung masarap, this is the ube. And this is the matcha. Parang mali ginawa ko ah. Dapat pala nilusaw natin. Pangit tuloy. Very wrong. Yan. Matcha. Then our ube. Yun. Yun sana. I love it. Very ube. Yeah. Ganda ng color. Ang dami ng kulay. Yung kulay na kulay. Galit na galit ang violet. The ube is giving. Yo, ang ganda niya. Ube. And the matcha. Yung matcha, meron lang tayo. Dapat pala eh. Nilusaw ko muna yung matcha. Try lang naman ito. Then, mag-aantay ng cheese. Cheese. Ilan kayang cheese to? The more cheese, the merrier. Ay, ang sarap. Try natin sa ating baking pan. Lagyan ng butter. Then, let's try. Try natin ito. Isa. Dalawa. And then the pink. The violet. And the green one. This is the green. Kaya lasa na to. Yummy. It looks like yummy. Punasan natin yung mga hindi magaganda dyan. Yan, ang ganda-ganda na. We have original violets. Let's cheese. Cheese. More cheese. More cheese. Cheese. Ayan, sarap niya na. Cute. Let's try this one. The matcha. Look at this. Ayan, sarap-sarap naman yan. Sarap. Yung ube gusto ko rin. The ube. Gradient pang cute. Sarap.